Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about landform, and here we have archipelago. One of the landform is called archipelago. An archipelago, we can see there are groups of islands that are relatively close together. You can see that from the picture. You can see the side covered by water, and now lake. We can see the brown part representing the earth space and the little part of water. So you can see what it means there. So then going to Gulf, another landform. Is a bit parts covered by water and some part being covered by land. See? You can see that one side covered by land and some parts being spread in deep into water. Now the other one is straight. The body of water bounded on two sides by land. See that. Also we have isthmus, which is the opposite of straight. We see the parts being bounded on both sides by water instead of like straight that both sides are bounded by by land. So then we're going to the next one, which is system of lakes. You can see is the opposite of archipelago. It's a group of lakes which are being groups of lakes which are relatively close together. Then we have here a bay. You can see there is a body of water bounded on all sides by land. You can see that. Then we have peninsula, covered by land. Then we have a cape here. This is the opposite of bay. You can see all sides is being bounded on one side by water. Okay, so here we have the highland. Is a body of land bounded on all sides by water, unlike lake, which is bounded on all sides by land. Okay, then we have isthmus. I think we've gone through this already. Alright, so those are the landforms we have. Okay, so now guys, let's look at the physical forms of the land, looking at using a practical plastic whole of landform to fix up the landform we discussed about. So can we see some landforms that are familiar from the charts we've discussed about? Yes, I think we can see. Can you mention? Yeah, so we can see. So let's start with isthmus and let's try and locate it to its landform. Yeah, there we go. So that's isthmus there. From the view we have, it's having both sides by having water, then the streams by land. Then we have highland. You see, yeah. So a little part so that's it. A little part is having the land there, then all sides are covered by water. I'm having all the Lagos Island here, so that's how it looks like from this picture. Then we have a cape. One side is covered by water and one side is also covered by land. And there we go. That's what it looks like from its picture. From its view. If we have to look at the practical form. So let's go look at another one. There we have peninsula. So let's look at the land that go deep into the water, into the sea actually. So that is it. Yes, that's our peninsula. Yeah. All right, so now let's try look for another land form that we have that looks similar. Yeah, bay. So now let's try look for bay. A side covered by land and another side covered by water. That is it, bay. You see, bay and cape looks alike, but they are not different. We just, if you can figure out the opposite, you'll be able to figure this out. So now look at this systems of lake. This too looks like archipelago, but it's the opposite of it. There we have strait. This opposite of isthmus. So the water is being split the two lands by water, split by water. Okay, so there we have what do we have here? The Gulf. Yeah, so one side is the sea part deep into the land. Then we have Gulf. Then the lake, opposite of the highland, which is what we have there, all sides covered by land and the little part covered by water. Then the archipelago, opposite of systems of lake. You see, all sides covered by water. Then we have relatively lands being grouped together. Yeah, I think we've done all the land forms. Hope we've learned. Hope we enjoyed the video. Hope we're able to identify all these land for when we see them or when we travel around the world. We can see these gulfs in different countries, like Lagos. Now I know of the Lekki Peninsula. I know of Lagos Victoria Island. So I hope you enjoyed it. So if you've not subscribed, please let's not forget to subscribe, and let's remember to comment down below. Let's also not forget to like and share videos for those that think will be able to learn from this. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.